One summer's day, Mavka, the forest spirit, and Cu Chulainn, the Irish hero, were out in the forest on a date. But little did they know they were being watched. Vodyanoi, the swamp spirit, was jealous of their love and wanted Mavka for himself. So, Vodyanoi concocted a plan. He asked Cu Chulainn for help.
I need help me.
Cu Chulainn agreed because he's a hero. Vodyanoi led Cu Chulainn to a crying spirit named V.
Help me, someone help me. Someone help me. Please, someone help me.
He explained that V was crying because she can't see. Her long eyelashes cover her eyes and are too heavy to lift. Cu Chulainn will have to use his heroic strength.
Someone help me.
However, V is a cursed spirit. Whoever looks into her eyes turns to stone.
Cu Chulainn! Cu Chulainn! Cu Chulainn! Oh, Neptune, help me, please.
Distraught, Mavka prays to Neptune for help. Neptune awakens and sends a healing rain to fall onto the forest.
Cu Chulainn!
Mavka and Cu Chulainn lived happily ever after.